Hey, yeah, to the whole world. It's Kanyile here, the leader and the instructor of my live programming school. Right now, I'm about to give you guys a solution on exercise 3.3. Remember, if you're watching this from some place other than my website, this is probably gonna be the for like YouTube, for instance. This is gonna be the last video you get to watch on this chapter. If you don't want that to be the case, you're gonna have to go visit my website and subscribe in order to have access to all of my content. Trust me, if you haven't yet seen the value of this tutorial or rather channel, trust me, you will down the road. We haven't covered some pretty challenging stuff. Okay. Anyways, I gotta write a program that asks the user for a number of seconds and print out how many minutes and seconds that is. For instance, 200 seconds is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Hint: use the integer operator to get minutes and the mod operator to get seconds. Integer division operator, that's what that is, you guys. Okay, let me not waste any of your time, you guys. Let me open idle, create a new file. No, that's my project right there. So it's exercise what, 3.3? Am I right? Of course I am. So I'll name it 3A. Okay. Oh, by the way, you guys, I'll have two solutions on this exercise. So I'll go total time is equals to input and enter number of seconds I wanna put that inside the eval function. Now that I've got the number of seconds, again, you guys, it's probably a good idea. You know what, let me not mention this right here. I'll simply go minutes. I'll create a variable called minutes. I'll go total time. I'll divide that by 60. Again, recall, you guys, this is an integer division because I don't want the fractional part as I'm dividing total time with 60. As for seconds, I'll simply go total time mode 60. I'll then simply go print minutes. Okay, because we don't know, it might be 0 minutes or 1 minute, so the S might be there or it might not. Now go seconds. Again, the S might be there, it might not. Now what? Now it's time for me to test my program. Let's try precisely the number they showed us. So it's 3 minutes 20 seconds. Okay. So if I try something like 784 seconds, you got to be shitting me. 1 minute? Really? Wait, something. $200 will give me 3 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, now 700 will give me 11 minutes 40 seconds. There we go. For a slightest moment I thought this number, by putting that number, we get 1 minute and a bunch of seconds, which doesn't make any sense. Come on, 200. It's impossible for 200 to give us. It's impossible for 200 seconds to give us 3 minutes 20 seconds, and 784 to give us 1 minute and a bunch of seconds. Okay, so no wonder I had to do that again. I had to check that example again. Okay, now question is this the best way of doing things? And the answer is no. I'm gonna show you a better way, you guys, on the next solution. So cheers, I'm gone.